With the ellipse tool, you can also create perfect circles, and that's what you're going to do next. So you can actually create an apple, but you're going to create a couple of circles here, at least 3 circles rather, and you're going to use one of them to create a pie shape. So select the ellipse tool over here, come to the right, press and drag, and as you start dragging, press the shift key. Now you're going to see that my color shows up right away here. If you're just dragging, you should see that it's going to show up. All right, press and drag, and you're going to see now that when you see a width and height of about 0.7, release the mouse button and then the shift key. All right, with the ellipse tool selected, come over to the center here, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a copy. So press the Option on Mac or Alt on Windows and drag to the right, and you're going to make a copy over here. And make it look something like this. Release the mouse button and then the key as they overlap. All right, now we're going to draw another circle over here. So move the pointer over the left edge of the leftmost circle here, and you're probably going to see the word anchor. That means that as you drag, it's going to snap to there, or at least align with that anchor right there. So start dragging, press the shift key, and you should see your circle show up. Now in the book we show kind of it's sort of like an outline circle, if you will, just to give you an idea, so it's easier to see. All right, release the mouse button and then the key. Now we're going to try something a little different here. Because this is a live shape, we can go out here and we can actually change the angle. This is called the pie widget right here. So if you drag this pie widget, you can drag it around and make it so that the angle starts and ends a little differently. Something like that. Now we can also change that value over in the transform panel. So come over here and click on more options and choose 180 from right here. Now this is going to change the pie start angle. Then you can press the escape key to hide those values. All right, move the pointer over what was the center, and what we're going to do is we're going to drag it up. So drag it up here and snap it right there. That way you can see it happen. All right, select the selection tool, and we're going to drag across all of these to select them. So drag across. We're going to change the fill color to red. So come over here and click on fill and change it to a red, something like this one maybe. There we go. And then click in an empty area, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a copy of this half here so that we can use it later on. Now I don't have enough room down here. In the book I did. So what I'll do is I'll drag across and move these up a little bit. And then come here and select this shape right here. I know it looks like everything's selected, but it's just this right here. Make a copy by pressing Option on Mac or Alt on Windows and drag down. Release the mouse button and then the key, and you've got yourself a copy.